I got some more. My check is on.
Alright guys, well, it's been a couple days. It's finally like braked in the rain. It's still kind of drizzling right now. I thought it'd be kind of fitting to film the crash or like the aftermath of the crash right now. So as you can see, basically what happened was I was on the 405 on the way to school, and the car in front of me was coming to a stop, came to a stop. I was coming to a stop, and the car behind me ran into me around like 30-40 miles per hour. So he hit me, and I tried to turn right into the emergency lane, and I tapped the back of her car. It was all one bang. Yeah, I'm really bummed about my truck. If I'm being 100% honest with you, it really sucks. Hopefully it's not total, the frames are right, and I can just replace the front end and fix the cab. If not, maybe I'll get another truck or a Camaro or something and take everything off of this one and put another car. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. It's going to take me like 2 to 4 weeks for the insurance to have anything to happen to the insurance, so we just got to wait. As you can see, probably in the next video, I did a huge burnout in the Chevelle. You've probably seen it on my Instagram. If you haven't, go follow my Instagram. So yeah, I'm going to be driving that thing around in my dad's truck until we can get this thing fixed or I get another project. We'll see what happens. All right, so for the front end, it's both fenders and the core support. The hood's still pretty good. And then the back is fine. It just needs a new bumper. It didn't really do any damage at all. It just needs a new bumper and the supports for the bumper. The only thing that's a little concerning is the cab hit the bed right here, and it actually dented it. You can kind of see right there where the carpets come out. It's made a bit of a dent. Totally fixable, so I'm gonna do my best to get this fixed because it's not too bad. I drove the thing off the freeway. Only thing is, since the core support is bent, the radiator is hitting one of the pulleys. But it's all pretty fixable, I think. It just depends whether the insurance wants to basically pay me out, or basically I'll fix it as long as it's not salvaged. Alright guys, well, it really fucking sucks about the truck. It kind of sucks because I've kind of like built my whole brand like with the truck. I just got the Chevelle back, and now my truck has been it's been in an accident. But I guess the only thing is to do is wait and see what's up with the insurance and whether it's time to rebuild it. If we rebuild it, it's time to go full send. I'm gonna make it a short bed and do the 67, 68 front end and basically like make it how I wanted to do it originally before I like fell in love with the 71. But she's crashed now, so nothing I can really do about it. Look forward to a bunch of stuff with the Chevelle. I'm going to Zip Tie Drags in January in the Chevelle, and hopefully the Gas Rats guys will come out with me. And I got a lot of stuff coming. Just gotta wait to get this thing fixed. So probably not gonna do as many videos as I was doing, where it's like maybe like 2 videos every week. Probably either go down to 1 or maybe like twice every month. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully we'll get her back up and running soon.